are hard work. No, what is the word?
Aware.
Not aware. We are doing good to the society. Guys, you English boy, SSC.
Guys, my vlogs are so much better than this. What is going on for the last 5 minutes? Yuck! Yuck! Is this how you should have vlogged? You guys are dressed like lawyers.
We dress like Amazon Prime ka money heist because we're in blue.
Oh, nice one.
हाँ.
Cut jayega, man. I'm Netflix.
Yeah, but money heist.
Oh yeah. But Amazon Prime, this is a confusing joke. Guys, vlogging is hard. Hey guys, welcome to the new vlog. So I usually don't do house tours or anything. I never did one in Bombay. But Akash and Aishwarya had come to Bangalore when I had just moved here. And when they'd come over, I was showing Aishwarya around the house and she took this footage. और इस हफ्ते मेरे पास और कुछ नहीं था तो मैं ये compile करके एक vlog बना रहा हूँ. And that is the story of how we have arrived at today's vlog. And for those who are asking,
where is vlog 100?
Vlog 100 will come. I want to do something special for vlog 100. And I will do something special no matter how long it takes. Until then, expect the vlogs to go until 110, 120, 130. But 100th vlog will come only when I'm ready with it. Until then, जो माल मिल रहा है उसको enjoy करूँ. Enjoy करूँ. Bye.
What a house.
No, here's the best part. Here's the best part. Look at the curtain. Look at the curtain.
This is definitely better than Mumbai house.
You feel I've never gone to a hotel or what?
It's so cool that you can press the button and right?
No hotel has this.
I've gone to Taj
Okay,
Courtyard.
my house is like a fucking hotel.
Yes, it is. I said it. Was I not saying it? But you're...
This is our balcony. It's nice. It's simple. It's 4 a.m.
Have you made out with anyone here?
Not here.
Guys, this is the kind of vlogs you'll get from me. Okay, all sex and all I'll get. Where Tanmay has sex, I'll show you. Has he had sex here?
I haven't had sex in this house.
What's the point of the curtains, huh? What do you do with the curtains? You'll always keep it open only like this.
You know what's sad? That you will have sex in my house before I have had sex in your house.
That's true. Even though I've started menstruating today, I will still have sex in his house before he does.
This is your room. This is Devendra Shankar's room for now.
Okay.
Ting 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 ting. Akash, Aishwarya, यहाँ sex करेंगे.
That's true.
We have a jacuzzi for you guys.
Fuck off, there's a bathtub, dude.
Jacuzzi with like things inside it and all.
Oh my god. Tanmay, I'll see you after 4 days again. This is so cool. It has a commode also, my god.
And if you guys wish to have a couch here, I can arrange for an extra couch.
What we'll do with the couch?
If you stain the bed, you will need somewhere to sleep.
That's a very big possibility. Oh wow. Is this how I was looking throughout the journey?
Yes.
This looks like maternity clothes.
You look like you're going to do Adalat ki Tauhin any minute.
Oh yeah, with the white and everything.
This is the hall. This is our open kitchen. It's very dirty right now. Don't show anything.
It's not very dirty. Wow, there's a mirror over here also, guys. And this is a washing machine.
This is
Guys, they have
washing-
washing machine and
A dryer.
dryer.
And a dishwasher. I mean you.
Boom. Roasted.
No, I'm kidding. There's an actual dishwasher. We have this gas thing which I don't know how to operate yet.
Oh, gas too easy, yeah. Oh.
Are you not connected to LPG? Have you not-
I haven't touched it yet, so please don't risk it.
Maybe it needs a woman's touch.
अरे तोड़ देगी तू भाई.
Good night, bitches.
Good night, Shankar. Good night. Hey, don't vlog all this. We don't fight. We are the ideal couple.
What was your last fight?
That you already vlogged and we never fought after that.
Out of fear of me vlogging it.
Yeah, we never fought after that.
Your parents know you have sex or what?
Yeah. तो फिर problem क्या है?
Is it like acknowledged or is it like unsaid?
No, now it's acknowledged.
Like how do they acknowledge it?
Sex कैसा था?
आज कर क्या है ना?
They acknowledge it as कि Ashu थोड़ा, you know,
Take care.
yeah, just be थोड़ा. Now you're not married, so just take it slow.
They say you don't have rough sex.
I agree with that wholeheartedly. Let's not do that.
Alexa, lower volume to 2.
Alexa, increase volume by 8.
Alexa, lower volume to 1.
Alexa, full volume.
Alexa, switch, shut up.
Alexa, keep going. You go, girl. You go, girl.
Later that same evening.
Alexa, who is Aishwarya Mohan Raj?
Aishwarya Mohan Raj is a YouTuber with 5 lakh subscribers.
Oh my god.
Since creating their channel on the 29th of September 2012, they have received
what she didn't know about her.
2 lakh with 4,595 views on 5 uploads.
Go.
Alexa, who is Tanmay Bhatt?
He's a
To Wikipedia, Tanmay Bhatt is an Indian YouTuber, comedian, scriptwriter, performer,
Just
producer.
She's gonna read your entire Wikipedia. Can you tell her to shut up? Alexa, can you stop licking his ass?
गन में घुस जाओ इंसान के.
Alexa, who is Aishwarya Mohan Raj's boyfriend?
According to Wikipedia.org, Aishwarya is aware of Abhishek's feelings for her.
I'm aware of Abhishek's feelings. Okay, they're not. Who is Tanmay Bhatt's girlfriend?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Even I don't know.
Nobody knows that.
Now, I'm not a very decorating type of a person. I haven't actually spent time doing up this house. The one thing I was really excited for was to have my own terrace. Because from the terrace, you can actually enjoy the sexual Bangalore weather. This is what the terrace was like when I first moved in. And just a little bit of magic and voila! This is what it's like now. It's still a work in progress, but I really like it so far. And so does chat.
हमी तो है तुम्हारे खाए तभी तो है तुम्हारे पास ना छोड़ो कभी हमारा साथ.
Another thing I really like about Bangalore is the fact that there are so many parks in this city. There's a park really close to my house. It's where I usually go for my walks. And in that park lives a family with a small little child called Sanju. Now, I met Sanju when I used to go for my walk. And while talking to Sanju, I found out that he really wants a cycle. So, Shankar and I decided to buy him a cycle.
ओ मेरा साथी मेरे साथ ना काटे ना कटे दिन रात ना ओ मेरा साथी मेरे साथ ना. तो सुन लेना तू है मेरा रफीक.
आज तो पूरा दिन ये चलाएगा साइकिल क्योंकि नया साइकिल मिला है. कैसा लग रहा है अभी?
तो हम क्या करें अब जाने दो वो बातें कहाँ तो तेरी यादें जो बिगाड़े जहाँ अब सुना दे पूरी दास्तां. ऐसे कैसे आए ना बताए और चल पड़ी. ऐसे कैसे आए ना बताए और चल पड़े. ऐसे कैसे आए ना बताए और चल पड़े.